Good morning, residents of the Village of Biscayne Park. First and foremost, I want to thank the residents for adhering to all recommendations that the CDC has put forth to begin to flatten the curve for this virus. You all have been listening to our state governor, our county and village mayor, and our village commissioners for complying with the social distancing and the safer at home mandate that has been enacted. For this, I thank you. I also would like to thank each commissioner who has provided me and the emergency incident commander their recommendations and suggestions. I'm analyzing information on a daily basis to prepare for a spike in this COVID-19 cases. The governor's office and the Florida Department of Health have stated that South Florida will experience increase in positive COVID-19 cases. It is projected that in the next several weeks, South Florida will be experiencing an increase in positive COVID-19 test results and deaths. It is critical that we adhere to the safer at home curfew regulations that were enacted to prevent an outbreak throughout the village. Taking into consideration all of the data and information available, I have taken prudent, proactive measures to suspend all non-essential governmental services throughout the village in order to protect the health, safety, and security of our residents and our employees. I understand that this can be an inconvenience for some residents and their businesses. However, we are now facing a global pandemic unlike anything we've experienced before, and these steps were taken to minimize health hazards. At the present time, there have been no significant crimes or incidents that have occurred during this crisis in our village. The manager has implemented, in conjunction with the incident commander, the following. The village has informed all village officers to assist with the pedestrian curfew and begin to educate the community about the COVID-19 deadly virus. Police Department continues to monitor the coronavirus via Miami-Dade County Mayor's Office in conjunction with Miami-Dade Health Department and their EOC staff. We're in constant communication and being updated hourly. We have maintained constant contact with the director of Miami-Dade League of Cities, as well as the director of Miami-Dade County's EOC, to be current on information to combat this virus. We have also been reaching out to the managers of Miami Shores and North Miami, along with other neighboring communities, to present a united front on this pandemic. We also are continuing all avenues available during these times, including reaching out to David Caceres, our lobbyist, at the state level, in conjunction with also our state senator, Congresswoman Federica Wilson, and also Sally Heyman's office on the county level. Our mayor has had meetings with neighboring mayors in order to keep up to date during this fluid crisis. The incident commander has directed patrol initiatives for all other officers to proactively prevent vehicle larceny throughout our village. As of today, no reported incidents. The chief is continuously updating and distributing, in conjunction with myself as your manager, emails to all officers referencing the preparedness plan that we've implemented with constant alerts and updates. Keeping all officers up to date is paramount. We continuously work towards producing YouTube public service announcements, videos, and have also created an account with Nextdoor. This was done to provide most current information available from this administration to the residents of the Village of Biscayne Park. Chief Cabrera has ordered all police officers that are on duty to monitor their activity and place a watch order at the Ed Burke Recreational Center and Park. Keep in mind, the park shall remain closed until further notice. Chief Cabrera has also requested the police department to volunteer to give samples for testing for the coronavirus and is still awaiting results. These courageous officers, who are first responders, have decided to do this in good spirit and to protect the lives of the residents in the village. And as a personal message to those volunteers, I salute you. Chief Cabrera has requested, with the assistance of Commander Nick and the captain, Sandra Roman, to provide each officer with personal protective equipment. These officers, both full and part-time, have received their bodysuits, N95 masks, gloves, boots, face shields, hand sanitizers, eyewear. We've ordered them and the police vehicles to be disinfected on a daily basis. As your city manager, I urge every resident to continue to reach out to myself, our administration, and the chief of police with your questions or concerns. Simply put, we are all in this together. Feel free to email me, call us, or use the lines of communication through your elected officials so we can continue to provide you with 100% superior service that all village residents deserve. This is not about I. This is about we, as it will take all of us working together as one to fight this deadly virus and to protect lives. Thank you.